Hi there, students. I had a question about what is the difference between will and shall. Well, we use will and shall to talk about the future. Normally they are contracted and you just get double L, and in double L then apostrophe double L, you don't know if it's shall or will. Yeah, I'll come back later. Now we can normally we use shall with I and we. Yeah, I shall do it tomorrow. We shall overcome. We don't normally say you shall or he shall. It's possible, but it's not as common, and I think it makes it a little more formal if you use shall with something that's not I or we. But there's no change in meaning there. But there are a few differences. For example, making suggestions. Shall we take a break now? Why don't we? Let us. Shall we go to that nice Chinese restaurant? Shall we go to bed now? Okay, it's a suggestion. It's saying let's. It's saying why don't we? And I wouldn't use will. Will we go out to dinner? This is a question. No, we won't. Yes, we will. Okay, we use shall for asking for advice. So, what shall I do about this problem? Where shall we meet? What shall I cook for tomorrow night? What shall I do to resolve this problem? So you're asking for advice. What shall I do about this? Very often you say what should, but you can use what shall as well. Asking somebody for suggestions, asking for advice. Shall. Then when you're offering things, you're offering to do something. Shall I tidy up the room while you go and do the shopping? So you're offering to do something. Shall I do the driving because I can see you're tired? Shall I finish doing this for you? So you're offering to do something, and you can't use will here either. But will also has a few. So will for requests. Will you do this for me, please? Yeah? Will you please shut up? Will you give me the money you owe me now? Don't tell anyone, will you? Okay, this is with an imperative. It's the question tag of an imperative. An invitation. Will you come with us tomorrow? Won't you come with us tomorrow as well? Won't you? This is quite polite because you're using it in the negative. You're making it easy for the person to say no. Won't you take a seat? Won't you stay the night with us? Will you have another drink? Okay, so it's an invitation. You're making an invitation to do something. Won't you have another drink? It's very polite as well. And we use also will for ability. This will work. This will get rid of the problem. You're saying that something is able to do something. The machine will not start. Okay, it's not able to do something. This medicine will cure your problem. So we're using will to say something has the ability to do something. So let me just run through that again. Will and shall, they're the same. Shall perhaps is a little bit more formal, but not really very much. Shall, particularly for I and we. Shall for suggestions. Shall we have another drink? Shall we have some tea? Asking for advice. What shall I do about this? Who shall I give the prize to? When you're offering something, shall I do the cooking tonight? So you're offering to do something. And then will for requests. Will you please do this for me? Will you help me right now, please? If you will do this, it's a request again. For invitations, will you have lunch with us? Will you sit down? Will you come again tomorrow? So it's about an invitation. And then ability. This will resolve the problem. This will fix the problem. The car won't go. Okay, will not go. So will and shall.